Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Fauzi. My student ID number is 415-200-10099.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Raihan Ibnu Rashid. My student number ID is 415200100103. Okay, I have some question for you, Fauzi. Let's go to the question. Which do you think is good? Spending time with a lot of friends or spending time with just one or two friends?
I think it would be better to spend time with a lot of friends because spending time with a lot of friends is more fun than spending time with just one or two friends.
Okay, to the next question is, which country do you think is cold in the winter? Russia or Iceland?
Okay. I think the colder is Russia because it's the previous year I saw on television on the news Russia is the second coldest country in the world. I think Russia.
Next, which animal do you think is fast? Zebra or an ostrich?
I think the faster is the ostrich because the ostrich has a special and strong leg and as well very strong body.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's why he runs so fast.
Yes.
Next, which age group do you think is happy? People under 25 or people over 50?
I think happier age is people under 25 years old because that at this stage we spend more more time and youth and we more younger than people over 50 years old. I think under 25.
Next, which country do you think is hot in the summer? India or Egypt?
In my opinion, the hotter country is India because at 18 years old ago, India record the hottest country in the world.
Okay, next, which do you think is safe? Traveling by train or traveling by bus?
I think is it safer to travel by train because traveling by train is has a small accident rate compared to the bus.
Okay, it's your turn, Fauzi.
Okay, it's my turn. Okay. I have some question for you. Which country do you think is big? Canada or United States?
I think the bigger country is Canada because after I search on Google, Canada is the second largest country in the world and the United States is in the third.
Okay. The next question. Which language do you think is easy to learn? English or your first language?
I think an easier language to learn is my first language because I'm used to using that language every day and the language I use is upstream.
Okay. Which country do you think is far from North Pole? Italy or Turkey?
Italy or Turkey? I think the country is farther away is Turkey, because once I see the map, Turkey has a very long distance than Italy.
Okay. Which do you think is heavy? 7 pound or 3 kilogram?
Is heavy 7 pound or 3 kilogram? I think the heavier is 3 kilograms, because in units of weight, kilogram is the highest unit than pounds.
Okay. Which do you think is long? An elephant trunk or a giraffe neck? Giraffe's neck.
In my opinion, the longer is the neck of the giraffe, because the neck of the giraffe has a length of about 2 or 3 meters, and according to scientists, the giraffe's neck becomes long because of the evolution in time.
Okay. Which do you think is bad for your health? Sugar or fried food?
I think is bad for my health is sugar, because sugar can cause diabetes, so the disease is difficult to cure than fried food, then cause cholesterol.
Okay.
Uh,
Do you have more question for me, Rehan?
oh, I have few
Okay.
question for you, Fauzi. Yeah.
Okay.
Which do you think is annoying when you're trying to study? Loud music or people talking?
Okay. Wow. Annoying. Okay, I think what is more disturbing is loud music because loud music cause a lot of my concentration while learning. While people speak and can be minimize the voice of speaking in order to stay focused on learning.
Hmm. Okay, next question. Which animal do you think is dangerous? A lion or a poisonous snake?
Okay, lion or snake. In my opinion, the more dangerous is uh, the poisonous snake because poisonous snake can cause both death than a lion that takes so long while poaching on its prey.
Hmm. Okay, next. Which do you think is expensive? A new iPhone or a new laptop?
I think the more expensive is new laptops because laptops are more useful than iPhone. So I think laptop.
Okay. Okay, next. Which animal do you think is intelligent? An elephant or whale?
Okay, I think it's 11. Are smarter because elephant is animal when in a circus than whale. It's more like elephant.
Hmm. Next, which sport do you think is popular in the world? Football or basketball?
Which sport? Football or basketball? In my opinion, more popular is football. Yeah, because football is more often aired on television show compared to the basketball in Indonesia.
Okay. Which do you think are entertaining, action, movie, or comedy?
Okay, I think it's more entertaining comedy because comedy make us laugh with the jokes they play.
Okay,
Okay, now
your
I have
turn.
some question more for you, Rehan. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready. Okay. Which do you think is more comfortable, traveling by plane or traveling by car?
Can you repeat again?
Which do you think is more comfortable, traveling by plane or traveling with car by car?
Traveling comfortable. I think it's more comfortable to travel by plane because the plane has good service, faster to reach the destination, and has a small accident.
Okay. Next question. Which do you think is delicious? A strawberry ice cream or a chocolate ice cream?
Ice cream. I think is more delicious chocolate ice cream because chocolate ice cream has a sweet taste.
Okay. Which do you think is more important, friendship or money?
The important, I think, is more important is friendship
Why?
because friendship is difficult to get than money we can get while working. You know, royalty.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Okay. Which do you think is more interest? Uh, more interesting, reading book or watching TV?
Interest to watching TV because watching TV we can see the picture and the sound, so that we get a shadow in the TV show.
Okay. Which do you think is useful, a laptop or a mobile phone?
It's useful. I think is laptop because the laptop is useful to do my college assignment and other activity.
Okay. Last question for me. Which do you think is exciting to watch, a match between a two team or a race?
Matching, I think is more interesting the match between the two teams because in the match we can see the cohesiveness between the two teams.
Okay, that's all from us.
Thanks for watching.
Ya,
Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.